DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you know, man, you see what we are dealing with. Dan is back in the lab. I want to tell you, we're back better than ever. We're back here with more bangers, more crazy reaction. I want to know, gang. You don't know. Hit the like and subscribe button. Road to 10K, you know. Turn me up, gang. I want to know, man, do the right thing. Call his life. I want to know, man, do the right thing, man. You see me? I say, I'm not going to say 40, you know. Because 39 good. So we are dealing with today. We're there with not under Dan. Yeah, man. Malie Donn, the one named Dan Julio. Yes. We should have been react to it. I know. Hold on, bro. You know, life been lifing. Your boy been having some shit, but your boy back. You see us again. Yeah, man. Here we got Malie Donn, the one named Dan Julio. I check it out and say dog a deal. You don't know Malie Donn as already, you know. You see me, the vanilla card boss, you know, man. You see me and say you don't know. Oh, Malie Donn, Mr. V6 do it already. Don't know bangers and hits already. So Malie have this unique way of blending like the chopper and the girl and the dancing and the vibes in every single song. In every single song, you have the girl and the vibes and in one song. You see me? I say that's Malie. Everybody can catch your vibes to every song. You see me? Every song you can say, yo, it's a girl tune. You can say, no, it's a chopper tune. You can say, no, it's a vibes tune. You see? I say it's a, you know? Yeah, I mean, I will vibe my song. I'll jump right now. Malie Donn, Dan Julio, get it. How me I do? How me I do, gang? You know, see me that thing, me think, hey, how me I do, Jedi, your laps, bro, Jambisco, you do? Your laps, dog. Your laps, dog, like your laps, dog. Come in, man, you see me? Yeah, man, what me I say? Malie Donn, Dan Julio, let's get it. You know, the girls them love the Dan them, you know. You see me? And the Dan Julio, you know. You see me? Easy them. You see me? Malie Donn, Jambisco, and Dan Julio. It's a Dan moment. Come on. Yeah, this love the Dan. Hey, come on. Come in, let's get it. Yes.
Well, lifestyle come like a movie show.
Yes.
French cut in a pool, you know.
Yes.
And we drink and drunk till we full, you know. Big fat Benz, pan it all a cruise, you know.
Say, yo, Dan Julio, lifestyle coming like a movie, no. Bad. Yeah, well, I'm here, dog, I say.
Well, lifestyle come like a movie show. Girl in a French cut in a pool, you know. And we drink and drunk till we full, you know. Big
girl in a French cut in a pool, you know. And we drink and drunk till we full, you know. Hey, vibes and fun, come in.
Fat Benz, pan it all a cruise, you know.
Mama pretty now. Hey, me not lie. Mama, oh, you pretty too. Ooh, dog, with a car she white chocolate and the dark chocolate. Easy now, mama.
Yeah. Pretty bitch says she want more booze.
Easy.
Attitude saying she there in she mood, you know. That's rich. My bitch bad and bougie and drunk like what? Lesbian but she
the girl bad and bougie and drunk like bat. Easy now, come in. Hey.
That's rich. My bitch bad and bougie and drunk like what? Lesbian but she just like that. 21 and my dance like pat. Empty pan and my love pie clock. Land my John in your mouth pilot.
Hey, empty pan and me love by land me now like a pilot, mama. Oh, I'm here, man. I'm feel open up the runway. Come on.
Land my John in your mouth pilot. Addicted like the drugs like crack. A bad girl cause a talk style that. A mad girl but she come right back. A bad track and my love fly.
Easy now, bad girl, she come. Hey, come on.
But she come right back. A bad track and my love fly. And she love likes. And she has said the cocky tough like steel. She said for mash up her love life, please. She said yeah.
Easy now, man. Come in, let's get it.
Broke like G's. Go and blow come a love nice breeze. Gone roll with that tough white tees. Get a tight pum pum full of buzz like peas.
Hey, can't roll with that tough white tees. Come in now, man.
Dan Julio.
Hey, yo, one time when me and my hair grew in a dog. Hey, Jaja. Come on, let's get it.
Pum pum full of buzz like peas. than Julio. Well, lifestyle come like a movie show. Girl in a French cut in a pool, you know. I would drink and drunk till we fool, you know. Big fat Benz, pan the tour like cruise, you know. Pretty
big fat Benz, pan the tour. Well, and there's a Asian flag that they have up representing for the Zoes.
Pretty big set. She want more booze, you know. Attitude sting, she day in a she mood, you know. That's rich, my big pattern.
Attitude sting, she day in a she mood, you know. That's, hey.
Bougie and drunk like bad bitch pan the telephone. Face bleach out and the belly tone. Girl say she want yam cream pan a steady cold. Love a big body bitch, natural or silicone. Getting a spirit and
natural or silly. Come on.
Pin a roll. That girl a calm with for me soul. Go girl spin pan a lily pole. Slow mo girl sing with the lily throat. Your vagina.
Slow mo girl sing with the. Did you say sing or sin? Where dogs say come?
For me soul. Go girl spin pan a lily pole. Slow mo girl sing with the lily throat. Your vagina give me a lot of faith. Lean up on my cock and brace. Me love how your pum pum fat and steer. Me lock in and chop and save.
Easy now, man. Me a lot of faith. How are the bumbo? Malie!
Me love your pum pum fat and steer. Me lock in and chop and save. Me love bus bumbo clag like and kia. Hammer that spray. Gyal a drop and spray. A summer smooth.
Yeah, man, them a can't. Hey, come here. Hey, dog. Yo, Malie be chop it. Come here.
Your vagina give me a lot of faith. Lean up on my cock and brace. Me love how your pum pum fat and steer. Me lock in and chop and save.
Me lock in and chop and stack up your cash, young youth. You see me as I come?
Me love bus bumbo clag like and kia. Hammer that spray. Gyal a drop and pray. A summer smooth pan her goddamn face. Me come in her eye all the contact stain.
Easy now.
Than only you.
Hey! Yo! Hey, Malie. Malie's never fear for me, you know. What me telling you about Malie, bro? Malie, how we are coming to blow like that. In every song, dog, a man have a memorable line. But hey, just no say any girl with Malie do you know, dog. Just no say no, dog. That yeah. you know, I do no girl with Malie do you, dog. Big man thing. Every song, the man I make you know, say, you know, the man I see up the face and I see up the throat hole, you know that. Hey! Is that no easy a blood clean, that's the coming out of all in contacts. Yeah, man, Dan Julio. You see, that's the vibes I'm telling you about, man. You see me? Malie sound like a part tune, sound like a girl tune, sound like a chopper tune. You see me? Yeah, man, that's Malie. That a chop on that bombard, you know. Yeah, man, don't get it twisted. Yeah, man, Malie done be chopping on that shit, man. Nigga slid on that beat, bro. Not even no jokes. Y'all heard that shit for yourself. You see me? I says, no, let me know anything about that in the comment section, gang. You already know what time it is. Yeah, if I like it, if you can show the artist some love and support, make you know the dancing, you know, man. Yeah, man, let's get chop it up, man. Let's get dialogue going. Let me know if your part was beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You don't know. Drop a request, you get your shout out. You already know what time it is. Really, gang, we now play with them. We're going to the top, man. You see me? I say, road to 10K before you end, gang. You see me? I say, so you like and subscribe, but do the right thing. Code is life. You see me? I say, But yeah, man, gang, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.